Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to set the time to take action in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on advanced settings. Now in advanced settings, click on time to take action. So from here you can set the time to take action to 10 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, and the maximum is 2 minutes. So you can use any time. So just simply tap on a time to select. So that's how you can set the time to take action in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.